If you are handy with mathematical formulas, you can expand the More Input Methods dropdown in the Design step and enter an explicit function of t to define your gear shape. Click Graph to preview your shape. This plots the radius, or distance from the center of rotation of your gear, as a function of the angle t. In math, this is commonly known as polar coordinates. You can use the typical syntax you would use for a graphing calculator. See the video description for a list of what functions and constants are recognized as input. When you are happy with your input shape, click Trace to approximate this input curve with a spline. An important thing to note is that Gearify assumes your formula abides by the symmetries of your gear definition. If you defined a radial symmetry of 3, for instance, your input formula will be sampled only along the first of 3 lobes, and the remaining lobes will be copied. If you use a formula with incompatible symmetries, you will get strange results. For beginners, I recommend a radial symmetry of 1 and no bilateral symmetry, so that no constraints are imposed on your formula. When you are happy with your design, click Confirm Design, and then click the flashing yellow arrow to proceed to the next step.